Hello kids, welcome in Siddham's world. Let's learn alphabets. Alphabets in phonics song with one word. A. A for apple. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for grass. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O for all. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for table. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for wall. X. X for fox. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Let's sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's repeat with the one word. A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, and D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for grass, and H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, and L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for quill, and R for rat, S for sun, and T for table, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for ball, and X for fox, Y for yacht, and Z for zebra. One more time, sing along. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Siddham's World.